Hi, hope you will be fine. As we have discussed in previous analysis, that gold may take support from this zone, or it may break this resistance. So the gold have taken support from the lower this area, which is 3,342, and now going upward. As it didn't make another lower low, as we can see here. So it's possible that it may break this resistance and go upward to make R2 go upside toward 3,400 and so on. So if we come into 15 minutes time frame, here we can see that gold has taken the support from this other block, as we can see here. It has touched and now going upside. So this is the analysis for today intraday trading levels. Gold has taken the support from this area, and now when it break this resistance, so we will try to get an entry in buy and retestment of this, which is 3380 level. So keep an eye on this level, and today, as the Iran and Israel war situation for today news, according to the news, gold may make a very strong movement while in the US session, which is about to start in 3 hours. So this is the analysis according to the chart, and here are a few news which are coming about in the US session. So keep an eye on these news, and hope for the best trading day of yours. Hope you have enjoyed this analysis. Keep supporting us. You can subscribe our channel and get in touch with us to know the intraday levels for your trading journey. Here we are sharing educational video. You can analyze our analysis, and you may trade on demo accounts, not real. We are not financial advisor. We only do here learning practical, and it's channel only for educational purpose, not for any financial advice or any financial or related any. So hope you will enjoy this video. We will meet again in our next beautiful video. Till then, bye.